Good evening, hi everybody. My name is Oriana Besaida Cordova. Today I'm gonna give some answers to some questions about the activity didactics of mathematics. Let's start with the first question. How can you make a fixed approach to mathematics learning? Okay, in order for the students to appropriate the importance of learning mathematics, his or her curiosity and experimentations would be used to bring them closer to numbers, making them notice that mathematics is present in our daily lives and that it is a necessary tool in society. Finding it in any situation of life being essential for multiple tasks such as counting, organizing objects, managing time and money, among other activities that are important for us. Then we have the second question. What you must know about math before you do a class? The teaching of mathematics requires that students are the protagonists of their learning in interaction with their environment, with numbers being the articulating axis. Therefore, the pedagogical practice must allow different approaches and interpretations, which overcome the traditional rote and repetitive model, giving rise to new methods and didactic strategies. Let's continue with the third question. What are some ways to learn mathematics as a teacher? This is an important question. The learning of mathematics must simultaneously articulate theory and practice. Both are important so that the teacher makes approaches that allow students to build mathematical thinking from the natural knowledge they have of numbers. Now we have the fourth question. Give other examples about teacher mistakes when students are wrong. Some common mistakes made by the teachers when some students make mistakes are, in this case, I have two. The first, ignoring the characteristics of their age-specific thinking and its relationship with other knowledge. And the second, ignore the correspondence of their reasoning with other areas and with their experiences. Now we have the fifth question. According to your point of view, what you consider is essential in the mathematics learning process? Learning mathematics requires relating logical reasoning to the student's daily life, their experiences, and other areas so that the construction of mathematical thought is meaningful to him or her. Also understand how the students appropriates the knowledge to organize, select, and sequence the contents to be developed in an appropriate way. Now we have the last question. Question number 6. How important do you consider interdisciplinarity is, and how do you consider BA in maths and BA in English can work together to encourage a student's learning process? Okay. In this case, the interdisciplinary teaching tasks of the degrees in mathematics and English helps to promote the transversal construction of mathematical thinking, encouraging them to observe and experiment, since logical reasoning is not built in a vacuum. In addition, accurately adapting and interpreting mathematical logical thinking in another language poses a challenge and a greater cognitive demand for students, which will allow them to build meaningful learning. Okay, thanks for your attention. This is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye.